In this short class we're going to look at features of a business research report, and more particularly we're going to look at data analysis. Now you'll see from the bottom right hand corner of the screen that there are only 9 slides or 9 pieces of information to be put across in this class. So it's a very short class, very straightforward, very much to the point, but it's important that there's a clear understanding of data analysis in the context of business research reporting. It's important that the data analysis section is written up, clearly explained, and any data analysis itself is clearly conducted. So let's look to see what's in here. First of all, provide information on the different methods used to analyze the data. So provide the information on the different methods, what methods were used, and give a background to each of them. Consider their justification for choosing the research method, and look at the assumptions that are used in the use of that method. So what assumptions does the method make, and are the assumptions realistic or not realistic? And explain to the reader why the particular method of analysis was chosen from amongst the various alternatives available. Why that one? Why not something else? So give a reason for it. It should also discuss the validity and reliability of data. Now these terms are explained in separate videos, and you'll have come across them before now, so I won't go into it here. I'll just say that the data should be accurate. It should represent the population. It should give an insight into the area under investigation, and it should be reliable, that if the exercise was conducted again later, similar results should be found. It should be reliable. So it's important that whatever technique is selected, it gives valid and reliable data, and its assumptions are not too restrictive, but they should be clearly set out for the reader to see. So the data analysis section should provide adequate detail on the chosen method of data handling, what method was selected, why it was selected. It should give what we call a groundwork analysis. This has nothing to do, by the way, with philosophy and a great philosopher called Kant. Groundwork analysis in the context of what we're dealing with here is it should be practical, it should be feasible, it should be doable, and the groundwork analysis means that all of the background materials have been collected, collated, analyzed, and the particular method chosen is correct given the feedback, if you like, from the groundwork analysis, from the preliminary studies that may have taken place. And there may be a rational statistical test and analysis. For example, it may be that there is some sort of sampling method being used, and perhaps the sampling method is quasi-scientific or scientific. It could be random sampling, for example, with each element of the population or of the sample being selected randomly. If that's the case, and if the sample size is sufficiently large and there is no obvious bias in the way the data, I should say, is collected, then we have what's known as a rational statistical test. And those are, generally speaking, considered to be the most accurate, the best, if you like. So data analysis, how is the data collected? How is it analyzed? What assumptions are made in the process of doing the analysis. What justification is there for the method of analysis that was selected? How reliable and how valid is the data that's being collected? So was a statistical technique used, such as random sampling? How is it conducted? What are the upsides and downsides for that particular course of action? So all of this should appear in the data analysis section of the report. But what we've got on the slide here is a good summary of the type of discussion that should take place under this heading. And that's all we really need to do on this one, so we're going to leave it at that and say thank you for watching.